Hello and welcome back to our channel. In this video, we will demonstrate how to replace the strands on a power brush head. You will need bond lock B243, pipe grips, pliers, a 13mm socket or spanner, and replacement strands. Many sizes are available on our site. This tutorial will work with whichever you need. You can find the link to the stranding and head in the description under the video. First, crack the seal on the ball by using the pipe grips. Then unscrew and put this to the side for later use. Unscrew the nut on top while keeping a firm grip on the body. Then we will take the stranding out of the head by lifting the pieces, holding them as I do here. You can also take these pieces off the thread. Now get your replacement stranding and place the middle of the stranding into the slot, as you can see here. When the two strands are in place, you can put the part back onto the thread, lining up the pin with the hole on the main body. Repeat that step with the top half, and then hold the pieces on the thread, so the strands can't fall back out. You can now screw the nut back up using your socket or spanner, again keeping a firm grip on the body. Then grab your bond lock and apply a small amount to the inside brass thread of the ball. This is used to secure the head on the thread so that it doesn't come off during sweeping. This step can be ignored if you're fine with the chances of it happening, but it is recommended. Then you can screw the ball back onto the thread tightly. With that now screwed on, you're all set. If you found this video useful, please make sure to like and subscribe, and feel free to leave any comments for any equipment tutorials you want to see next. We'll be posting more tutorials soon, so make sure not to miss it and turn on notifications for this channel. See you in the next one!